Welcome to another edition of Automation in Action. Today we're talking about Agentic AI, kind of a new buzzword out there. RPA, robotics process automation, and as you can see here on our screen, UiPath has been a major player in Agentic AI. You're going to see here is it's great for IDP to be able to come in and be able to extract information, but it can't take action on that information. So here we have a couple of unique kind of projects I set up. We're going to basically leverage, in this particular case, the document understanding module from UiPath and their Gen AI utilities to be able to extract a landlord email from a large 21-page commercial lease contract. We're then going to utilize that extracted data value, and again, I'll show you the document and actually how it is kind of unstructured, and then basically create a DocuSign envelope using a predefined template using the landlord email as the recipient. There can be multiple trigger points for this, but we're going to run this simply based on a click of a button. We're going to debug here. Use the Studio component when there's things like a local file path you want to monitor. You can certainly use the web version of Studio. As you'll see here, the first step is we're going to browse for a file and it's going to prompt us. We're then going to use the UiPath document understanding Gen AI activity. You set this up ahead of time via connection. We're going to be looking for this word landlord email. We're then going to create a DocuSign envelope. You'll see here. We're going to use that landlord as the recipient email, and then we're going to send the envelope, and we're going to show that entire process. So we're going to hit debug here, and you're going to notice that the first thing it does, and this is running in a runtime version, you'll notice that it's starting to execute all those different items. You can see here it's then executed. And now if we go into our, and this is just my personal email, you'll see here the commercial lease. We'll click on the review document. You can see when we uploaded that document, it went in and found this landlord email. And as you can see, Brent Wessler at Hotmail, just my personal. So it automatically sent it to my Hotmail account. I hit the start. It'll allow me to physically sign and then finish. And at that point, using Agentic AI and as part of that workflow, essentially that particular document can be added to Google Drive or to DocStar or to any one of your ECM systems or other systems. As you notice, there are a number of different connectors, API-driven connectors from so many different services. So whether you want to use AWS Textract or you want to use Azure OpenAI, all you have to do is type in, you see here, I have a nice little demonstration using Microsoft Azure OpenAI or AI Document Intelligence, and you can see I've already created some connections here. But so Agentic AI really is about leveraging all the large language models, AI, machine learning tools across all the different vendors out there, and then basically robotically following a particular sequence of events. Certainly, there are capabilities if you're using an unattended bot for self-healing or involving additional human labor in the process for quality assurance. That's the benefit of using UiPath Cloud Orchestration. It allows humans to be entered into the process where you need them to fix and validate certain information. Bots will get smarter and smarter and be able to act more autonomously than they can today.